You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from the history of Korea. So we need to hear, at least maybe learn, the Korean pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English. A period and a kingdom in the history of Korea. Korean pronunciation: Joseon, Joseon. Therefore in English it's kind of Joseon, the son of Joseon. Although it's not Joe, it's more Joseon. It's easy. Can you pronounce this? Joseon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.